We have a framework that we evaluate any of the technical questions that come through to us. And often that requires pre-engagement. So we might have requests through InfoOut, we might get 4 in a day about the same topic. The team goes out and consults on that. They ask questions more broadly. We look to our founding members, who are the Electrical Trades Union, who are NECA and who are MEA. We go, if it's electrical related, they're our first point of call in terms of sense checking that info. And then it comes to the technical advisory group for a discussion. What we're moving to in the future is we're taking those 7 technical advisory groups and reducing them to 5. And you'll see underneath that there's then a consultation phase, and we work through to understand what needs to happen next. The PSO Training Package Steering Committee also looks at, and we have an evaluation criteria to understand, is this a major change to a training package? Or is it a minor change? Is no change required? So we go through and we evaluate that.